Welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with this company, Subella or Subella, whichever pronunciation is correct. I got it in its drawstring bag, which is branded. I got a goodie bag as well. I have a pair of wig caps. I got a set of brushes. Also got a branded elastic headband. Okay, and then lastly in that goodie bag I got a pair of lashes. So today's wig is so gorgeous. Look at those curls, just super stunning. So this is their 4C curly edge lace wig, an HD lace frontal wig, and his curly hair with a super natural hairline, as I'm showing you guys right here. It is HD lace, so that is definitely giving scalp. It's pre-bleached and everything. It's a 26 inches length that we're working with, and I absolutely love it. It's actually a 13x4 lace front. This is the construction on the inside. Has an adjustable strap, combs inside the cap, also 2 adjustable straps in the back, and these curls are so soft, so silky. I love it. Went ahead and slipped it on, and I opted to do a glueless install, but all I used was some of my lace spray to apply this. Before I did that, I went ahead and cut away the excess around my ears so that it was laying comfortably in that area. But you see the hairline already? You see the hairline already? Everything is matching. It's definitely the same curl pattern as the rest of the wig, so I love how they kept that consistent. The wig itself is very full. You know, shedding was minimal. I can't lie. You know, usually for your curly texture, sometimes it will shed a little bit more because of friction of the texture and all of that. So here I was applying the lace spray, and I just kind of allowed that to get a little tacky, and then I placed the lace on top. That's it. That's all. Super easy. Very quick and easy. I was showing you guys the parting space that you have to work with. As I said, it's a 13x4 lace front, so this is how it looks. It's definitely giving scalp. You feel free to go ahead and do braids if you wanna style any, you know, you could definitely explore that. So as I was saying, I went ahead and got some water to just really allow those curls to pop again, and it's just super easy to work with, not hard to detangle at all. Also, eventually I went ahead and I applied some conditioner along with that water to just make the curls pop even more. The hair was really soft. One thing I would say, it's very curly. As you can see, it's a very nice curly texture, so it's prone to tangling a little easier. So, you know, if you're gonna wear something like this consistently, like every day, you just want to ensure that every single day you detangle properly and stuff. So just be mindful of that, else it will be quite a piece of work to detangle when you're ready, if you take too long to detangle it. So right here I was just finessing the edges. As you can see, the quote-unquote baby hairs are a little too long, so I kind of just tailored that a little bit better to my liking and cut it a little shorter and defined it, and it looks so good. You know, just get your spray bottle with water. You can use conditioner, and I was just, you know, taking my time to really finesse that. I didn't want baby hair right across the hairline, you know, just a more natural, minimalistic vibe. And you see how soft and more natural and realistic that comes off? You see that? Really cute. Really cute. You know, the curl pattern is really nice and everything. The whole hairline is super laid, so I love that. It came off so melted, so I am very pleased with that. As I said, the texture is really soft. It's very soft. So Subella, they did a great job with maintaining the quality and feel of the texture of the hair itself, so I love that. So I was just, as I said, just play around with it to your liking. If you want to leave out even less, you can go ahead and do that, but that's how it turned out. So this is it with just a simple center part at first, and oh, that hair is super full. You see how full that is? Yeah, this is when everything is like dried down. It's so cute. Juicy curls. Love that. Love that. So I decided that I wanted to go ahead and switch up the style. So I opted to do a half up, half down. It was quite easy to just, you know, finesse it into this hairstyle. And, you know, just took my time, did that. It's not much to it. And it's just so cute. You know, so cute. So I was just pretty much taking my time to do that hair. You know, it's very straightforward.
'Cause we be on a top floor. Oh, we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling, 'cause you know we gon' fly.
So once I was done with that, I kind of just refreshed, you know, because I went back into the hair and kind of, you know, was restyling it. So I opted to go ahead and just add a little bit more water, just a little bit more water, not much, to revive the definition. It's not that it got dry or anything, but I just wanted it to have that super nice, fresh, wet kind of vibe to it. And yeah, it's super easy to detangle too. Like once you go ahead and use a brush with water to brush it out, it detangles really nicely. So no problems with that. This is how we're looking. It looks amazing. Shout out to Subella for this gorgeous wig today again. I'm going to be sure to link it down below in my description box, so please go ahead, check that out. All the specifications will be listed as usual. Any deals going on, any discount code, that will be down below. That's it for today's wig look. Let me know if you guys like it. If you found it informative, go ahead and give it a thumb up. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and just stay tuned for my next video. So until then, bye.